Hi, hello, welcome to Veg Wonders. Hope you people are doing good. Today, we are going to see a very healthy dish with very less ingredients. It's nothing else than rasam. Rasam or charu or saru, satamudu, whatever name you call, it's a healthy dish which helps in digestion and also act as an immunity booster. It's all-time favorite for all the kids. It has been used traditionally as a treatment for flu, cold, and as a remedy for sore throats and fever. During this crucial pandemic time, I think we should take this rasam, also called as spicy soup, almost every day. So let's see how to do it. So these are the items which we need to prepare rasam. Just these many, very simple. To start with, we need tur dal. I've taken 50 grams of it. Then tamarind, a small lemon size or a bigger amla size, whichever you say. 1 tomato. I've taken a hybrid variety here. You can take the local one also. Salt to taste. 1.5 teaspoon of rasam powder, homemade. I'll be giving you the link here how to prepare rasam powder. The link will be given in the description box also. And now this is half a teaspoon turmeric, curry leaves, coriander, and of course water. To start with, we'll first soak this tamarind in water. Normal lukewarm water. Let it immerse and leave this for some time till the dal gets cooked. This will be soaking. Next, we'll be taking this dal, wash it twice. Next time I'm washing again. Now to this I'm adding little turmeric and 2 cups of water, and I'll be pressure cooking this. I've pressure cooked the dal and switched it off. The steam has to go. Now I'll start the other process. First we'll be taking the tamarind. Just squeezing it. So squeeze it well. So see, I've squeezed it well. Now we'll filter directly in the vessel in which I'm going to prepare rasam. Now again we'll add some water to it. Same thing should be repeated. That's it. Once we'll check this because there will maybe lot of sediments here, so I'll remove that. See, now we'll remove this and we'll start. So now we'll be adding this. I'm just starting. The tomato which I've cut, I've added turmeric. Next, salt to taste. I've added curry leaves here. Now I'll be adding the rasam powder. Rasam powder preparation is already available in our channel. You can check it. This is 1.5 teaspoon of rasam powder. Just reduce the flame, keep it in sim and leave it to cook for some time till tomatoes get cooked well. So this is how dal looks. Can you see? This is how it looks after pressure cooking, smashed completely. Now we'll first add the water in this is excess water in this to the rasam, smash it again and then we'll be adding rest. See this, tomatoes are completely cooked and this point of time I'll be adding the excess water from this first. Generally when we prepare sambar and rasam together, we can take out the dal part, only the water we will be using for rasam. But when you prepare rasam alone, that you can take this dal part also. That's why I have kept only 50 grams of dal. But if you are preparing sambar and rasam or dal and rasam, then you can take 100 grams. So this is okay. So I'm adding it. Mix it well. Let it stay here for 1 minute. Now to this we'll be adding half a cup of water. And we'll just mix it in the rasam. So it's boiling right now. So this is really thick. And at this point of time I'll be adding 1 more cup of water here. Rasam tastes good when it is very thin. And leave it to boil for some time. You can see the bubbles coming. Let it boil for some time. This actually serves 3 to 4. I'll show you after some time. This is a regular type of rasam which I prepare every day. I don't add garlic in this, and if you want you can add it while adding tomatoes in the beginning itself. So now this is okay. Like the milk boils, even the rasam comes out like that. See, at this point of stage you can switch it off. That's all. Our rasam is done. Finally we'll be doing the seasoning part. So for seasoning I've taken a small kadai. Just add 1 teaspoon of oil, or you can use ghee also. Then 1 teaspoon of mustards. Half a teaspoon jeera. And finally this is hing. Your rasam is ready. I'm adding chopped coriander. So your rasam is ready now. Try this. This is my style. Just try this rasam and let me know it in the comment section. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and do subscribe. Thanks for all the people who have subscribed and watching my videos regularly. Your support means a lot to me. Till we meet next time in a different recipe, this is Amrita signing off. Take care. Bye-bye.